In this session, we are going to learn about some more draw commands. To know about the draw commands, click on this flyout. Under this flyout, you will see a lot of commands. The very first command is spline fit. Now click here to select the spline fit. Now it is asking specify first point. Now I am clicking anywhere, the graphic area. Now say click here, click here, click here, click here, and now I want to close this spline with this start point. So to close this spline, I can click here on the start point and it will be closed. And what I can do, I can take this C, close. The spline will be drawn. This is the method to draw some artistic curves in the form of spline fit. One more option is there, that is spline C. Click here. Now click anywhere. Click on this point. Now see the difference. Here, wherever we are clicking, this spline is rotating at that point, and it is maintaining the tangential condition with the line joining the points. I am taking C for close. Now I am typing C with the keyboard and press enter. And once you select this spline, it will show the control points of the spline. And once you click on any control point, I click here, it will become red, and when you drag outward or inward, it will manipulate the size of the spline draw. Now escape to come out from the command. Likewise, as you draw earlier, with the help of a spline fit, which you select, it will give control point onto the spline itself. So when you click any one of the control points and you drag outward or inward, it can be manipulated like this. Now press escape to come out the command.